Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, you are going to learn HTML5 forms, the creation of the form, what is form, how it's required to use to communicate with our dynamic server or presenting the data in a form way. We'll see in this lecture. See here, scrolling down to the body part, and within the div section, I'm making a new form. The form tag will create by initiating the script of FORM form tag. That's it. The open tag and end tag will initiate the form tag. Within the form tag, we have to write the form elements. What are the form is required, where it may be input text box, radio button, or checkbox. All these things we'll write one by one to have an action and to collect the data from the user. Now let's see here for form, what I'm making here, label. For the label name, I'm displaying here like a name. Very simple examples I'm explaining here. And input type. See, input and what is this called it as tag. The input tag I have taken and the type I'm specifying it is in a text. And the name also we have to give like a for the purpose of name to enter the name the text box I'm giving. So I call it as in a name of the ID. All right, save it and see the output how it is. Save. See, this is the name and text box I have given for this to enter my name, something whatever I or the registration form, how it is happening, Harisystems, whatever it you are pressing the text box for the purpose, you can add the any name here. And this is the one parameter only I have added. And if you want to add more things, like you just simply make sure that to copy and paste these lines again, or else if you are having a practice time, label one more label, name, email, and make it as an input. Type is text box only, and this is email. Right, just save it and reload. See here, this is the name, this is the email, two text boxes I have given. And I would like to see you like a one more, that is the label and a mobile number, where it may be mobile or phone you can put, and the input type it is text only, and mobile to ID I'm maintaining it is in a mobile. Now refresh. See here, we can adjust and align as our wish by making the sizes and alignments. Anyhow you can apply all the many things. I'm applying for break line to breaking the tune to the next line. Okay, now you see also you can apply CSS for these labels and the text boxes as well. We'll see on HTML while applying of the CSS sessions are specially designed to how we can make it as a beautification our forms. All right. Now one more thing. This is the raw code I'm writing for especially for you. And one more column I'm going to write here. It is in part type. It is like a radio, right? Input I'm making it is in a radio, means radio button I'm specifying like a gender. The ID I'm so called it is called gender. Like I have to specify the name. Just give me a second. Yeah, refresh. See the gender. The radio button is appeared here. I'll make it as a little bit big. This is the way we can get the radio buttons, and you can also make sure to copy and paste one more radio button. Type is radio, and this is also radio only I'm giving here. And just a second. Yeah, the value we have to specify. Yes, value it should be called male. Let me check. Yes, for this mail, I have given name. And when I put a simple thing, I would like to explain you here. Like copy these things. Yes, paste. And remove this here. Yes, that's enough. And one is male and one is uh, female, right? Now, I'm making here, just see here the code. One is male and another one is male. Two radio buttons I have taken. Save it. Now refresh the page. See, male, female. Now, if I select male, this will be the data will be gone or populated somewhere else. What we require to do something. If I select female, see, it's automatically deselected for male and it is selecting here. Why? Here I'm taken a name of the ID is one sender only. The same ID I have taken for both. So either one it will select. Which one is selected, that value will be goes to the selected item. Strongly remember, this is very important too when you are going to be interacting with the database and the dynamic data. All right. This is the way we will give the select item, and one more option I will give you for select. Select will have an ID and options will have a select, like a option HTML. One more option like CSS. As of now, it's for testing purpose is sufficient. Select will called is in a drop down option. You will get it like this. See how it is pretty easy. One more thing, one more two options I can add here for you. Copy the things. More you are copying, more you will learn. And here, bootstrap, so-called JavaScript. That's an 4. Save it and refresh. See here, CSS selected item. When I select this item, it is called it is a selected item. See, these are the items. Yes, using this select option, you can prepare for your name of the cities, name of the countries, or name of the area, or name of the products. What you want to show on the page, you can write the option items. The multiple group of the items you can prepare here. It comes with the ease. And that's all about to prepare form tag with the forms and all. See, from this lecture we have learned label, input tag for text box or checkbox. Yes, checkbox also it's very pretty easy. Like making input type is checkbox. Name is like HTML. I can. That's it. See you. Just see here. You will get in a checkbox. If you want to give in a name of value like this, you can add the things of this thing you have to add with the end tag, and you can specify here it is HTML. And one more code like one more option I can specify here. It's a JavaScript. Yes. Now shortcut name of JS I'm specifying the name. Reload the form, save it and reload. See now the JavaScript is gone away. So I'll make it after the selection option. Take one break line as of now. Now see here HTML. Multiple selections if we want will use for checkbox. Alright. Either option we use for radio buttons. And the list group of items we want to display and master data we can call it as options we'll use for select option. For text boxes input, we'll use for these things. We are going to be preparing for login form where you will set user ID and password. 2 text boxes is enough. With one button is called login. That's it. Login form is done. That is the way you are going to prepare a very easiest HTML forms. And here, moreover, you will see the code form tag where it is initiating and end would be the form tag. That's it. Within the form, you are going to prepare any code you want to wish to prepare, like a design and beautification of your form. I hope you are having a good idea about the form in design in HTML form creation by using the controls and tags, which tag to be used for the purpose. You will be having a good idea. And moreover, you try to practice with many tags as you are wish to display an order. You will have a good idea how to interact with the dynamic data as well. Thank you for watching this lecture. Thank you.